Hi, this is Ashok, and this is my fourth video on SignalR. In my previous video, I explained you like how to send message to all the clients. That is client.all.send message on whatever parameters. Here, like I added a line clients.group, whatever group mention it dot send message parameters. I will explain you like how to add those users based on roles to a specific group. There is a function in the hub class which you are inheriting, so we have to override that function on connected. The return type is task object. This is the hub class which we are inheriting. So we are overriding that method public override task on connected. See, you can see this. I double clicked on that function, so it is like this now. It will return base dot on connected. It's nothing but a task object. The system dot threading dot task will include in the namespace using system dot threading dot task. Now inside this function will include how to add the users based on their roles to the groups. First of all, we have to get the roles of the user who has logged in. So we can get the user by http context dot current dot user dot identity dot name. This way we can get the username of the logged in. For the roles class, we have to import a namespace called system.web.security. I'm importing it using system.web.security. Using system.web.security. So now I can get the roles of the user who is logged in. We'll loop it because user can have more than one role, or it can be like he can have one role or more than one role. For each, we'll take a string str role to get the role. In roles dot get roles for user, there is a function which you can pass the name of the user. The name of the user, as I showed previously, http context dot current dot user dot identity dot name. Here is the for each loop. Okay, now we'll get the roles, so we'll add based on the roles to the groups. There is a groups class. We have a function add is taking a connection ID and group name. How to get this connection ID? This onConnected function will run like whenever the client is connecting to the page. So this function, for every user connecting, this function will run. So we'll get the connection ID based on the context object. There is a context object context dot connection ID, and whatever role you have to add to the group. So this connection ID will be added to the role. The group name is nothing but the role. So if the user is having like two roles, one is user role and one is admin role, then for that user the groups will be added, two groups will be added, that is admin and user. Groups dot add, for that connection ID there will be two roles, admin and user. Groups dot add dot context dot connection ID str role. So how to send a message to the specific group? As you have here client dot all dot send message, the send function is having the parameters. Based on the parameter you can check that whether this message has to be sent to particular group or this would be sent to be a different group. Based on the parameters you can increase the parameter, like if the string is admin then it should be sent like admin message. So if the admin message is having, you can increase the parameters and the same way change accordingly here also whatever required. And here in the client side you can change here after name message you can include one more parameter, and the same way you have to include in the button click event, that is here dot send. You have to include one more parameter if you are including. Just for sample logic I'm telling you that, so that based on that string you can change the logic to send which group or to send the message to a different group. So now how we have to send that message? We have to mention the group name. Clients dot group in bracket whatever name of the group is, administrator, administrator dot whatever same the format send message name message. Client dot group dot administrator dot send message. So this will send only messages to the administrator groups, and the same way, sorry, and the same way you can send to clients dot group users dot. So based on the whatever condition you required you can alternate this both. Based on the condition, like the message should be sent to the administrator or the user, you can include this logic. And if you want the message to be sent to all the clients who are connected to your application, you can send by the first line clients dot all dot send message name message. So this will take care. I hope you have understand this topic. If you like this video, please share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.